Hey everyone, if you want to download DroidCam and use your Android phone or iPhone as a webcam for your computer, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through downloading the official DroidCam app and PC client step by step. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official DroidCam website at droidcam.app. Yeah, this is the safest place to download the latest version and avoid unofficial installers. If you're using Windows, click the Windows Client Download option. The installer will begin downloading automatically. I mean, just wait for the download to finish before opening the setup file. Now double-click the installer and follow the installation wizard. Keep the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. After the installation finishes, launch the DroidCam client from your desktop or Start menu. Next, grab your phone and install the DroidCam app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once it's installed, open the app and allow the requested camera and microphone permissions so it can work properly. Finally, make sure both your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or connect them with a USB cable if you prefer. You're now ready to pair the devices and start using your phone as a webcam in apps like Zoom, Discord, Microsoft Teams, or OBS Studio. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded DroidCam and prepared it for setup. Yeah, once both apps are installed, you're ready to connect your phone and enjoy a much better webcam experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next